In Windows 11, app snapping is significantly enhanced compared to earlier versions. You can now lock up to 4 application windows simultaneously, streamlining multitasking by preventing window overlap or constant toggling. Now if you want to learn more about the feature, watch this video tutorial. Now to use snap layouts, hover over the application's Maximize button, or you can also press a keyboard shortcut such as the Windows and the letter Z, and then the layouts will then appear, showing where you can position the application panes on your desktop. Now you have to click to place the application window in the desired layout section, and the Snap Assist aids by displaying other open application windows, so you can click an app in other pane to show it within the chosen layout. Then repeat the process until all panes are filled. Now once applications are placed in the Snap layout, you can adjust the pane sizes by hovering between them. Now a gray bar will appear, and the double-pointed arrow indicate your sizing, and drag along arrow direction to resize adjacent panes. Then just release when desired size is achieved. And that's how easy you can use snap layouts in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.